and welcome back to Spec, and look at what I've got for you today. This is my Sons of the Phoenix, which I've been creating purely from the Conquest magazine, painted up and on display, and I'm so happy to share it with you today. Now, I did show one or two of these models beforehand, but now we get to see it in its full glory, and we have so much on the table. Now, rather than me just waffle through it, I think it's just best you take a look at it. There are a few things to note. The video for making the candles, I'll card, which you guys have probably seen me do. The detailing for the chapter markings, I had to run through Illustrator and create something and put it onto decal transfer paper and print those out for myself. The flaming techniques, which are on the aggressors and on the chaplain's halo, again, is another video which is on the channel, but you know, it's all been put together and you guys have seen that. One thing that doesn't show up too well is the white on the camera. I've used different types of white. I've done some which are blue, some which hold like a grey tone, and some which are like soft cream warmish tone. The camera light kind of blows that away, but either way, it's not just white. It's really kind of got lots of variation. I'm really happy with it. I'm very proud of the army. It was difficult learning how to go from, you know, a deep purple and a white and not kind of contaminate one to the other, and also even placing the golds in the right places, as I don't have much reference as to where to put that. So this is the first company, Sons of the Phoenix, probably, you know, they're the Emperor's Children, but the loyalist version. But we'll see in the future. I'm sure Games Workshop will have something to say about it once everybody starts playing these. Purity seals and litanies, I will show you how I created those. But again, for those who have been following the channel for a long time, they know that this just been created quite simply, but I'll put a video up for that. So without further ado, just enjoy. Here's some music and just kick back. and seeing them all together like that is impressive. And that's how I know I'm happy with the models. There will be more to add. I'm looking to add an armor division, get some more armor in there, get some not necessarily hell blasters, but get some more eliminators with las guns. Probably gonna go for some aggressors, bolt storm, and I want to keep it purely primaris. That's what I want to do with this, because this is my Vigilus army and this is the wall moving forward, bringing the light and the faith from the Emperor out to the galaxy. Look, tell me what you think, tell me how you feel about it, maybe what I could even add to the army. This has been Spect. This has been a hell of a lot of fun, and I'm glad to share it with you guys. Have a good evening, have a good week, and PC out.